Welcome back, dear friends. Let's begin today's session. First question of the session. Consider the following statements about the Attorney General of India. First, he is appointed by the President of India. Second, it should have the same plans as that of a Supreme Court judge. Third, he should be a member of either house of parliament. Fourth is, he can be removed by impeachment by parliament. Which of the above statements are correct? First and second statement are correct. Correct option is A, 1 and 2. Question number 2. Parliament can make any law to give effect to international treaties in any part of the India or the whole of the India. A, with the consent of all the states. B, with the consent of majority states. C, with the consent of state concerned. D, without the consent of any state. Correct option is D. Parliament can make any law to give effect to international treaties in any part of the India or to the whole of the India without the consent of any state. Option D is correct. Question number 3. The 73rd Amendment Act 1992 specifies option A, creation of earnest employment for unemployed and underemployed men and women in rural areas. B, creation of employment for supported adult willing to work in period of lean agriculture season. C, laying the foundation of strong and vibrant Panchayati Raj institutions in the country. The right to life, guarantee of liberty and security of the individual, equality before law and protection without discrimination. Here option C is correct. Laying the foundation of strong and vibrant Panchayati Raj institution in the country. Question number 4. Which one of the following statement is not correct about a money bill? Option A, a money bill can be proposed in either of the two houses of parliament. B, the Speaker of Lok Sabha is the final authority to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not. C, a money bill passed by Lok Sabha needs to be written by Raj Sabha within 40 days and taken up for consideration. D, the President cannot return a money bill to Lok Sabha for reconsideration. Option A is not correct. A money bill can be proposed in either house. This is wrong statement. A money bill can be proposed in only Lok Sabha. Question number 5. Under which article of the Constitution is a money bill defined? Option A, 109. Option B, 110. Option C, 111. Option D, both B and C. Correct option is 110. Question number 7. The office of prophet was defined by the Constitution, by the Union Council of Ministers, by the Supreme Court, by the Parliament. Correct option is D, by the Parliament. Question number 8. Who appoints the acting Chief Justice of India? Options are Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of India with the previous approval of President. Option C, President. Option D, President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Correct option is C, President. Question number 9. Who controls the outflow of fund from the Consolidated Fund of India? Comptroller and Auditor General, Finance Minister of India, Authorized Minister, none of the above. Correct option is D, none of the above. Question number 10. Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the Parliament to make laws to implement international agreements? Article 249, Article 250, Article 252, Article 253. Correct option is D, 253. Question number 11. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution falls in a different category? Article 14, Article 15, Article 16, Article 19. Here, Article 19 falls in a different category. Article 19 related with right to freedom. Question number 12. Ad hoc judges are appointed in the Supreme Court when certain judges go on long leave, no one is available for permanent appointment. C. There is an extraordinary increase in cases pending before the court. D. There is no quorum of judges for session of court. Correct option is D. There is no quorum of judges for a session of the court. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for latest update. Question number 13. Lok Sabha can be terminated by adjournment, by prorogation, by resolution, by all of them. Correct option is by all of them. Question number 14. How long can a member of the Council of Ministers hold office without becoming a member of State Legislative Assembly? 1 year, 6 months, 3 years, 3 months. Correct option is B, 6 months. Question number 15. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, K.M. Munshi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Correct option is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Question number 16. Which of the following matters does not come under the powers of Panchayati Raj institutions in India? Options are implementation of land reform. Option B, justice review. Option C, implementation of poverty alleviation programs. Option D, none of the above. Here, option B is not a power of Panchayati Raj institutions. Question number 17. Who has the power to increase the number of judges of the Supreme Court? Options are Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Law Ministry. Correct option is C. Parliament. Question number 18. Who constitutes the Federal Public Service Commission? Parliament, President, Chief Justice of India, Select Committee. Correct option is B. President. Question number 19. Who advises the India government on legal matters? Options are Attorney General, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Chairman of Law Commission, none of the above. Correct option is A. Attorney General of India. Attorney General of India mentioned in Article 76 of the Indian Constitution. Question number 20. Who had the power to nominate members from the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha? Minorities Commission, President, Prime Minister, Vice President. Correct option is B. President. Question number 21. Who is the executive head of India? President, Prime Minister, Leader of the Opposition Party, Chief Secretary to the Government of India. Correct option is A. President. Next question is, in India, the President is elected by direct election, by single transferable vote system, by proportional vote system, by open ballot system. Correct option is C. By proportional vote system. Question number 23. Which is the upper house of state legislatures in India? Legislative Council, Legislative Committee, Office of Governor, none of these. Correct option is A. Legislative Council. Question number 24. Which constitutional amendment gave constitutional status to Panchayati Raj institutions? Options are 73rd, 71st, 74th, none of these. Correct option is A. 73rd. Question number 25. Under which article of the Indian Constitution are the fundamental rights provided to the citizens? Article 112 to 115, Article 12 to 35, Article 222 to 235, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Article 12 to 35. Question number 26. The 42nd Amendment 1976 added a new chapter to the Indian Constitution relating to the administration of union territories, creation of inter-state councils, fundamental duties, none of the above. Correct option is C. Fundamental duties. Question number 27. The Supreme Court of India advises the President in a matter of law or fact on its own initiative only when he calls for such advice, only when the matter related to the fundamental rights of the citizens, only when the matter poses a threat to the unity and integrity of the country. Here, correct option is B. Only when he calls for such advice. Next question is, if India are create a new state of the Union, which one of the following schedule of Constitution must be amended? First, second, third, fifth. Correct option is A, first. Question number 29. The purpose of incorporating of directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution is to establish political democracy, to establish social democracy, to establish Gandhian democracy, to establish social and economic democracy. Correct option is D, to establish social and economic democracy. Question number 30. The salary and allowances of the High Court judge are paid. Options are from the Consolidated Fund of India, B, from the Consolidated Fund of State, C, from the Contingency Fund of India, from the Contingency Fund of State. The salary and allowances of the High Court judges are paid from the Consolidated Fund of India. Option A is correct. Next question is, which one of the following amendments of Indian Constitution empowers the President to refer back any matter for reconsideration by the Council of Ministers? 39th, 14th, 42nd, 44th Amendment. Correct option is D, 44th Amendment Act 1978. The President to refer back any matter for reconsideration. Question number 32. Which of the following articles of the Directive Principle of State Policy deals with international peace and security? A. 51, B. 48A, C. 43A, D. 1. Correct option is A. 51. Next question. The right to equality in the Constitution is provided by 5 articles. These are Article 16 to Article 20, Article 15 to Article 19, Article 14 to Article 18, Article 13 to Article 17. Correct option is C, Article 14 to Article 18. Next question is the terms of Lok Sabha. Next question. Options are cannot be extended under any circumstances. B, can be extended up to 6 months at a time. Can be extended up to 1 year at a time during the proclamation of emergency. D, can be extended up to 2 years at a time during the declaration of emergency. Correct option is C. The terms of Lok Sabha can be extended up to 1 year at a time during the proclamation of emergency. Correct option is C. Question number 35. Under which of the following acts a member elected on the ticket of a party has been prevented from defection? 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act, Representation of the People Act, National Security Act, Internal Security Maintenance Act. Correct option is A, 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Question number 36. Which of the following is appointed by the President? Options are Attorney General of India, Comptroller and Auditor General, Governor of a State, all of them. Correct option is D, all of them. Is appointed by the President of India. Please like, share and subscribe. Next question is, which of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to freedom, right to equality, right to property, right against exploitation. Correct option is C. Right to property is not a fundamental right in present time. Fundamental right to property, right to property is a legal right under Article 300A of the Indian Constitution. Next question is, the Constitution of the India was fully prepared January 26, 1950, November 26, 1949, February 11, 1948. None of the correct option is November 26, 1940. Next question is, how many states and union territories are there in India? 25 states and 7 union territories, 28 states and 7 territories, including a national capital territory. C. 24 states and 6 union territories. D. None of the above. D is correct. None of the above. Present time, there is 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Next question is, fundamental rights can never be suspended, can be suspended by the direction of the Prime Minister, can be suspended at the pleasure of President, can be suspended in emergency situation. Fundamental rights can be suspended in emergency situation. Question number 41. The Parliament of India is composed of Lok Sabha only, Lok Sabha and Prime Minister, Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha and Prime Minister, Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha and President. The Parliament of the India is composed of Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha and President. Correct option is D. Next question is, the Public Account Committee submits its report to Parliament, President, Prime Minister, Finance Minister. Correct option is A. Parliament. Next question is, which of the following is correctly matched? Article 17, Equality before Justice. Article 78, Constitution of Parliament. Article 192, Salaries and Allowances of Members of Parliament. Article 352, Proclamation of Emergency. Correct option is D. Question number 44. Examine the following statements and select the correct answer from the code given below. First statement is, High Court judges hold their offices up to age of 62. Correct statement is. Second, a political party which is recognized in 4 or more states is a national level party. Second is correct. Third is, whether a bill is a money bill or not is disposed of by the Speaker. Third statement is also correct. Fourth is, a cognizable offence is an offence in which arrest can be made without warrant. Fourth also correct. Code 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here option D is correct. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 45 and last question. The minimum age limit for person to be elected to an election to the Lok Sabha. 18 years, 25 years, 21 years, none of these. The minimum age for a person to elected in Lok Sabha, it is 25 years. 21 years for Panchayat and 18 years for cast the vote. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.